What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Got another ride and review today. A little different than what I normally do. I got a nice ride up. I'm on Madison right now, heading up to the Upper East Side to one of my favorite Italian restaurants, San Matteo. San Matteo is primarily it's a Neapolitan style pizza joint, but I became friends over the years with the owner, Fabio, and his food is amazing outside of the pizza as well. I mean, just like Italian food in general. He's from Salerno. The stuff that he makes is so fucking good. I crave it so often, regularly crave his food. Man, these bumps, holy shit, time to pave. Where are my tax dollars going? Anyway, rant over. So yeah, I crave this food so often. It's so good. And I'm ripping up there today. I'm gonna eat like a maniac. Meeting the cake dealer there. My parents are in town, meeting them there. And I have so much video content and photo content from this place that I think what I'll do is I'll just show you some of that shit, and I'll keep my phone in my pocket today because, you know, what the fuck, give me a break. I got video of their burger at Burger Bash. They won Burger Bash. He makes the bun out of like pizza dough bread inside of his pizza oven. He cooks steaks in the pizza oven. I helped him get this dry aging fridge, this dry aging machine in. So now he dry ages steaks on site. He makes his own charcuterie, makes his own salamis, raises pigs and animals up in somewhere upstate, not quite far upstate, but you know, far enough up there to have some farmland. He's a good dude, real talented. He's got a little espresso coffee bar. He's got a new rotisserie chicken place just up the street called Poletto. Haven't tried that yet, but really looking forward to it. Yeah, he's quite the talented man. So I highly recommend you jumping out to my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, to check out all the pictures and the review of San Matteo pizza, which again is just way more than pizza. It's so fucking good. If you ever get the chance to eat his the pastas and risotto that he does in like the cheese wheel, holy shit, do that. Amazing. Always a good special pizza or pasta on the menu. The desserts are good. He even does like Nutella calzones. The calzones are great too. Holy shit, man, I almost forgot about that. There's so much to try here. You're gonna want to go back again and again. Man, this was a real quick run, man. I got the sickest green wave ever. I'm already at 78th Street. Wow. So I started on, I don't know, somewhere in the 40s. I'm just gonna take a right at some point soon. What's this, 81st? Yeah, this is where I gotta go. Oh, 80th. I gotta go like two more. I'm pretty sure it's 81st and 2nd. So 81st goes the other way. So I'll take the next right. Take this. Now I gotta head over to 2nd Ave. I was gonna take Park. There was a big truck in the way you saw right in the beginning of the video. But Madison worked out awesome. Man, that was quick. So why don't you guys tell me what you like in terms of Italian food in the comments. And you know, as usual, smash that like button, subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends and tell your fucking grandma. All right, we got one more avenue to go. I gave that up a little early, I guess. But yeah, I always mention San Mateo in, when I talk about New York's greatest Italian food, you know, along with places like Balato's, Carbone. It's just fantastic. Arthur and Sons. 2nd Ave, here we are. And there it is. All right, guys. Oh, this guy. There it is. See you on the inside. Thank you.
You want me to hold it up?
I mean, they almost bring individual portions.
Thank you.
Hands to the cheese. We'll start it off on your face and then hand down.
Ooh, that looks good. Smells good.
No, but just send me whatever you get. You get enough.
All right.
Give me more. I think so. It just has one right there. Oh shit. They actually did the logo.
Hang on, one sec. Wait, one more sec.